Guys.
Yeah, what's up?
Guys, did you hear that? Did you hear that?
What?
What was that?
I don't get it.
What was that? What happened?
You're making funny noises.
I don't know what happened. I was in the bathroom, and I left the bathroom, and that happened.
I don't like that. Can
What
you
is that?
stop please?
What's happening to me?
Can I just read my book?
Am I gonna die?
Can I just read my book?
Am I gonna die? From
Dude, please stop.
Am I gonna die from the?
You're scaring
Yeah,
me.
that one was real. I didn't even fake that one. Okay.
Just quiet your throat there.
Yo, man.
Sir.
I'm freaking out right now. I'm freaking out right now, bro. I don't know what to do.
Quite
I
concerning.
think it's getting worse. Bro.
I thought you were just.
Bro, I don't know
floating
what to
around
do,
for a
man.
second
And this is never. Is it like? You think I'm sick?
Oh.
You think I have the plague?
Oh, I didn't know it was this serious.
What? Do you think it's a curse?
Have you upset a witch?
Yo,
like
you think a witch put a curse on me, bro?
Dude, don't near me. I'm gonna catch it.
Sorry, that was a burp. That one wasn't.
I've heard of this before.
Bro,
I heard of a man in the mountains with the same strange illness.
how did they help him?
Oh, he died. It's already too late for you. I'm sorry. Only God can help you.
Dude, be careful when you're slamming down your.
They're gone.
They're gone. We did it.